Hi, and welcome to my channel this week. I'm going to be demonstrating one of my Tache mustache razors today, as it's getting a little bit woolly around the Tache area. Just get larded up first. We've got about a week's growth here, so it'll be a good test. Very delicate little Tache razor. I'm using Pro Raso red. Today because it's Pro Raso has got a very rich lather, ideal for a heavy beard. So here's one of my Tache razors. I've got about half a dozen of these in my Etsy shop, all different makers, some made by Sam Pearson. You can see the dimensions of the blade. It's quite delicate, very slim. Ideal for getting into the corners. So they're great for sculpting and shaping your beard and tache. This one's made by Ellison, really hard steel. And you know, you haven't to underestimate, just because it's a very slim blade doesn't mean to say that it won't do the job. I'll demonstrate under my neck. As you can see, he's taking a 7-day beard off no problem, so you can use them as general razors. They're not just restricted for your Tache area. I've started having a go at making scales as well, out of exotic woods like Coca-Cola wood, and this is an example. Made out from a hardwood with bullseye pins, and this part here in the middle, the spacer, is made from horn. Let's see if we can get in focus. This tail was not quite functionable when I first made the first one. It sort of curled up in a bit of a like a duck's tail curl, but really when you went to hold it and strapping it, it just didn't work, just not practical at all. So I reshaped it so it's more in line with the actual blade itself. And the actual handle itself are quite thick. And so the next one I'm going to be doing, I'm going to put a red liner in, and they're going to be quite a lot thinner than these scales. This beard is tough today. Normally it's quite, it'll give in, but this is really tough. I got it in the end. Get some more on there. There you go, that's a little bit tidier. Okay, so it's a demo of one of my Tache razors. Okay, well, thanks very much for watching, and catch up with you over the weekend. Bye for now.